Sina Pakistan be wave. Marksman yo. Go on this way, Dre. May mula. Haks pun na ba mahal may punta na siya.
Duran Cup is the oldest football tournament in Asia and the third oldest in the world. The tournament was started in 1888 in Manipur, Shimla, and was named after its founder, Sir Henry who was the Foreign Secretary to the Government of India at that time. Initially, Duran Cup was a football tournament for the different departments and regiments of the armed forces of British India and Native India. As the Second World War broke, the British soldiers left India and the tournament was opened to civilian teams. After holding the tournament in Shimla for 52 years, the tournament was shifted to